Well, hello again. Welcome back to Hammer's Garage. In this video, we were going to tackle plumbing the fuel system for our LS swap. But there's a itty-bitty, teeny-tiny spot of rust that we need to deal with first. Listen, if you find value in watching people wrench on old cars, you should subscribe. There's a little button right down there. Just click it. That's all it takes. You know, itty-bitty, teeny-tiny may not exactly be accurate. So let me show you what we're dealing with here. Right here in this cavity is where the fuel tank goes. And, you know, it holds gas, and that's flammable. And right here, we have this. Look, I'm sticking my finger in it. Whoopsie. Yeah. So, fixing this requires fire. That's why I want to do it before the fuel tank. Make sense? Well, the dang door won't stay open. Well, first thing we got to do is reveal exactly what we got going on here and how far spread it is. So, here we go. Oh, look, we got some bondo. I wonder how far up that goes. Oh, good, we got good solid clean metal right there. So, this won't be too bad. Okay. So we know we gotta probably come up to about here. I have this patch, cab corner patch thing, and it took forever to get it. It was on back order. I think I ordered this back when Obama was in office. But we just figure out what we need to cut out of here, or want to cut out of here, and then we replace it with this. But all of this is good and solid, like up in here. So we could weld to that pretty easy. It really starts in here, which is just below where they bondoed. I guess they tried to fix it at some point. I don't know. Alright, I measured from here up on the truck to the good, metal, and it came out to be 9 inches. So I'm going to make that same measurement here. I haven't cut anything on the truck yet. Make that same measurement here, and then we're going to lop this piece off that we need. And then that'll tell us where to cut on the truck. And it don't have to be exact right now. So 9 inches is right about in here. Now I want to try to get this as straight as I can. So I'm going to use this tape to guide me. All right, let's get to lopping. All right, here's our piece. Now we'll take this and put it on the truck. And that'll tell us where we need to cut. If I fit this to here, right, it's actually going to be a little lower than where it needs to be here, because once you remove all that, it'll rise up. So that's okay, because this way we know we're not cutting more than we need. But basically, I need to cut the truck right there and then remove all of this. And then put our new piece up there and weld it up. Easy, right? Right. I want to clean this up so I can locate these spot welds. There, there, there. So now I want to drill those out and see if I can get this to separate. There we go. See what I mean? I think there's another one. I think that's one right there. Oh, look at the wasp nest in there. Critters. All right, now I need to come around here and get these ones. These ones around the bottom. Chisel. Okay. And then we can cut that off later. Get it cleaned up once we get it off of here. Okay. So one thing I noticed about our patch panel here is that it's wider than the actual cab. You see that? Like, it wraps around, and it shouldn't do that. It's much wider. I mean, it was made in China, so I don't know, maybe, I don't know, whatever. So rather than come all the way around and take that lip off, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it here and then remove that and then see what we got, because I could always trim this down, you know, to make it fit right. So let's do that. Well, this is what we got, and it's actually not bad in here. It's got some surface rust in here, but it's real good up here, and this is real good. So, and this is actually good too, until we get to the very, very bottom. But I figure I can, oh, well, I need to get that piece out. Let's see what it looks like up under there. It won't be bad. So, I mean, this will take a little bit of creative welding, but I think I think we're okay. We'll just clean this up and fit our new piece. Oh yeah, that's it right there. So we need to clamp it, mark it, cut the truck. This takes a lot of fit and fiddle, taking little slivers off, you know, here and there, but I believe we've got it right here. That looks really good, and now we're ready to weld it up. Look at that. Nah, that ain't too bad at all. I'll pull these self-tappers out, plug them holes up, and just finish it off with a very little bit of body filler, and we'll be good to go. All right, we're gonna prep this for a little body filler. I have this metal reinforced bondo. This way, instead of just relying on my filler to crack, I can also expect it to rust. All right, let me just get this mixed up like baking a cake. All righty. We don't need a lot. We just want enough to be able to smooth it out and make it appear as though it was never welded. What in the? I got some debris in there or something. There we go. All right, we're going to get the bob and weave machine after this and see if we can make it look like it never happened. I have this 3M finishing glaze. I got just the slightest little dimple right here, and this stuff is really good at smoothing that kind of stuff out. Rock the Casbah, rock the Casbah, clean the truck up, clean the truck up. All right, we'll wipe this down right quick. Well, there it is, folks. The primer's still wet. I'll get these self-tappers out and plug weld those, but I kind of wanted to just give you an idea of the seam, you know, how the seam came out. And I am pretty happy with that. Pretty happy. This dent was here before. That's a spot weld. I didn't do it. I didn't do that. Listen, I am by no means a pro fabricator or welder. Truth be told, that type of work is what I get most apprehensive about. But I think for our old shop truck here, this is pretty good. And so I guess the point is, if I can take it on, so can you. So hope you got a little something out of this. If you did, get off the couch and go wrench on something. But before you do, like, share, subscribe. We'll see you soon.